조시가 이걸 사준다고 합니다.
Get that one.
이
It's good.
비싼 거를.
It's a good base.
Thank you, Josh.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Are you rich?
I mean, he makes money.
Sometimes.
Am I?
You print money?
Am I rich sometimes? Where's Kyle?
Like the Casa de Papel?
He makes money.
Okay.
I
Look at that. Oh my god. It's $14 for the
Yeah.
pack of the frozen strawberry.
yes.
Is
How
it-
much do you usually get for a pack of?
It's 7.
Yes.
You know,
2 times price.
yeah, twice expensive than Great Value stuff.
There is no ceiling, Yunsao, for price for things.
Oh,
You can always have a higher quality, higher price.
look at the milk.
Higher quality, higher price.
5.5. Organic Valley. 5.5. Hey, but you know, this is the same. Florida's nature.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the same as the Walmart.
Cold brew.
Look at the polka dot.
Cold brew coffee.
How about polka dot?
Polka dot?
Yeah. Oh my god. Look at that. It's $6. Jeez.
Where'd the guys go?
I think on the counter, probably. But you know, some ingredients are also in the Walmart too.
Yeah.
So.
I thought you were a random person. You were Luke.
Kyle,
Yes.
are you rich like Josh?
That's amazing.
I am rich
Am
in
I
other
rich?
things, not
not
of this
rich.
earth. I don't build up my treasures.
The reason I am like rich is because I don't put value in money. That's the reason why. I'm willing to give give stuff away.
Okay. I will treat you well
Okay.
someday, okay?
Thanks. I'm not gonna hold you to it.
They took all the
Yeah.
Like that's like I'll like people will owe me money.
Where's the chocolate?
You can give it back. You can pay it back if you want, but you don't have to. They're always like, oh,
But
okay.
that's the right thing, you know. Did I tell you?